Hello first grade, welcome back to math class. Today we're gonna be talking about measurements. Do you remember that last time we were using this square to measure things, like this example over here? Well, today we're gonna be using something similar, but instead of a square, we're gonna be using a paper clip. Let's take a look at this example. Look how long this pencil is. And look how tiny this paper clip is. Let's count how many paper clips it takes to make a long pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It takes 5 paper clips to measure this pencil. Let's measure this eraser. 1, 2, 3. It takes about 3 paper clips to measure a long eraser. Let's go to page 386. In exercise number 1, we have a board. How many clips do you think it will take to measure this board? Remember, we're not measuring the board that appears in the book. Try to picture the big whiteboard that is in our classroom. I think it will take about 60 paper clips to measure the board. In exercise number 2, we have a desk. Remember how tiny a paper clip is. Look at how tiny it is. And remember how long your desks at school are. How many paper clips do you think it will take to measure a long desk? I think it would take about 25 paper clips. In exercise number 3, we have a chalkboard. Let's all imagine a chalkboard in our head. Try to picture how big it is. Now think about how tiny a paper clip is. How many do you think it will take to make up a big chalkboard? Maybe it'll take about 40 paper clips to make a chalkboard. In number 4, we have a window. We all have windows in our home. So let's all of us stand up and run to the window and try to picture how small a paper clip is and how long our window is. When you're finished, come back and write in your book how long it will take for a paper clip to measure a long window. My window took about 50 paper clips to measure my window.